wearing?
Alright, so today I did something new with my hair. I put it into pigtails. Hopefully it's... I know I'm going to look back at this footage and it's going to be so ugly. I always mess up my part. But I like tied it to pigtails and then did braids. I wish I had bows. That would really make the whole thing, but unfortunately I don't. I am wearing just like a tank top underneath, and over I have this, it's a Coach jacket, right?
Yeah.
Yes, it's a Coach jacket. It cinches. I just tied it so the cinch stays. I like the big kind of, you know, baggy look. And then my skirt is also Uniqlo. I own everything from Uniqlo. Then my socks are Uniqlo too, but the shoes are Shushu Tong. This is kind of embarrassing. They're actually really dusty. But anyways.
It's pretty gross.
I know. It's perfect al dente. Perfect saltiness. But the cheese they put on it adds like another level of saltiness, but it's really good. This is perfect.
From somebody else's high school.
Thanks, please. I am currently wearing my boyfriend's t-shirt. He got it at ComplexCon from a brand called And After That. I am wearing it with just my Uniqlo trousers. Still pretty baggy, and I just really like it loose, especially around my thighs. I just have my Yeji tote. This is the one that I got at her concert. It's like a witch dog, but it's so cute. We're going on a little double date. Our dogs play together and we've hung out with them before, so we're just going to a nearby Mexican spot. Some chips, tacos, margaritas. Maybe. I don't drink margaritas. It's a whole different story. I can't do tequila. Bye. Love you. Alright, so it is currently 8:51. I have to get to work soon. I'm gonna film this quick clip of what I'm wearing today. I have a Skims tank underneath. Over top, I am wearing this Uniqlo jacket. It has like little little pockets here. Sometimes like I wear it all the way buttoned, sometimes I leave it open, but today it's just gonna be single button on top. And then for pants, I'm wearing these linen pants from And Other Stories. And then for my bag, it's literally just like my North Face book bag. Pretty boring, to be completely honest. I've had it since like 11th or 12th grade. And it's held up, so North Face book bags, amazing. Shoes, I am thinking these Sandy Liang Solomons. I think that'll be like a nice pop of color, like at the very bottom. I don't know. Okay, are we digging this? Are we not? Kind of too late to change, to be completely honest. So I guess this is going to be the fit. And also that, if you guys are wondering, like a live camera for my dog. He literally just stays by the window. Usually when I check the camera, he's either on top of his crate sleeping or on the couch. I just got back from work. It is now 4:43 in the afternoon. I came home to a very exciting package, so let's unbox together. We really need to get a box cutter because I feel like it's so dangerous, me just wielding this knife. We have scissors, but it's in the sink and I can't be bothered, so. Okay, so first is this Girlfriend Collective bra. A lot of my workout gear is like very loose, so I wanted something a little bit more form-fitting. I think this should fit nicely. The material is really good. Okay, I got this in a size small. I think it should fit. We'll see. It wasn't final sale. None of this was final sale, thank goodness. So should anything not fit, definitely gonna return. This is also from Girlfriend Collective. The whole idea is to wear these two together. I splurged a little bit. I got a Shushu Tong set. I promise I'm not being dramatic. I promise. I was just, I've been eyeing these two for a while and I saw it on sale at Essence, so you know I had to. Oh, she's heavy. It's supposed to be a bow and like a little bit flowy, but this material is really thick. Oh my gosh. Wait. It's actually a skirt, which is even better. In the shorts. This is really good material too. Super, super heavy. I was planning on wearing this for my birthday in Hawaii, so your girl might be sweating a little bit. And here is the workout set. Top, not gonna lie, is a little bit tight. It's just very compressing, like on the girl. These shorts though, I don't know. I feel like there's a lot of space like in the crotch area. I have to pull it up a little bit and like pull the fabric up. I think the colors are really nice and the fabric feels really nice too. It's just the fit. Like, do y'all see like the little scrunch? I don't know. That's like one of my pet peeves with workout clothes. I will think. Here is the little set. She's so cute. The top you can wear like sleeveless, or they do have these straps. They didn't have a smaller size in the top, so it is a little bit loose and I'll play around with it. I think the skirt is very cute. I didn't realize earlier, but I can actually just take off this entire flap around and it just be shorts. I love that it's versatile. Here is a close-up of the little bow detail. It just looks so good. I love it. Okay, so this will be the outfit today. My top is from a Depop shop called Shop Suna, I believe. Very nice, form-fitting, basic white tee. But in the back, it says full of love. Very cute. They also have an option that's in the front if you'll like that, but I thought the back was a little bit unique. And then I am wearing this really long gingham skirt from Uniqlo. I'm just in my skirt era right now. And then my hat, top poche little Tokyo table tennis hat. I'm obsessed with this brown color and the white contrast stitching. And today I just have my hair in a single braid ponytail. For jacket and shoes, I'm gonna borrow my boyfriend's Capital fleece. And then for shoes, maybe these sandals. I feel like I will look weather confused. Or maybe these are the Nike Zoom Vomero 5 or something. I feel like this might go more with the outfit, but then I'd have to wear socks. I'm kind of lazy. These definitely look better with the whole fit. I'm gonna go with the Zoom Vomeros. Should be a pretty easy day. Just wrapping up on some docs I'm writing. Maybe I can leave a little bit earlier today. I just always feel so bad leaving Basil. Yeah, just leaving him out home. I usually go home during the lunch break to take Mr. Dog out, but still, like I only have limited time, so I can't even play with him. When I do get off work early, I try to take him on a long walk. I feel like work is so draining that I like have no energy to do anything else. I used to like feel like that was okay. I want to have the energy to do things, you know? I think the only thing that I can ever really drag myself to do is to work out, but even then, I work out pretty late, maybe around like 9 to 10 o'clock. We'll see what we get up to today. Are you being grumpy? I'm about to go grab lunch, but wanted to film a quick OOTD since I literally just changed out of my PJs. I am wearing this really cute A Silent Voice tee from Project Mori. This is from one of his drops from 2 years ago, but the color has held up really well. I know he screen prints all of his things at home. Oh my goodness. I'm wearing this midi denim skirt that I thrifted from Goodwill for like $10. I love this. I actually get a lot of wear out of it. It's quite chilly out, so over top, I'm gonna do this gray hoodie. It's from Gymshark. I know. It's like the perfect oversized feel. No hate to Gymshark at all. I literally, all my workout clothes is from Gymshark. On like the day-to-day, I didn't realize how much I would like this hoodie, so that's all I'm saying. We're gonna go try a new Okay, it's not new, but it's a place that we have like walked by, and it has like the strangest hours. I think it's only open from like 11 to like 3 or something like that. It's a Vietnamese place called Mala Satay. I hope it's good. This is the fit, y'all. It's giving middle schooler vibes. I feel like the slit in front of this skirt is making it look like big denim shorts. But I feel like that's in now, right? So it's fine. I don't know. I love outfits like this though. I'm just going out to grab some lunch, so it's not all that deep.
Where's he playing from?
He's in break. He's in North Carolina.
What is that?
I don't know.
Let's see.
Literally, like, Jill reached out and ran off to the boat. Jill reached out like, yeah, nobody like this up. Didn't go, it's like,
Whoa. She looks cool. Oh, this is spicy fuck. Legit.
No. Yeah! That was legitness.
How do I, is it recording?
Yeah, it's already recording. I'm wearing the Justine Klinket necklace I got from the Essence sale a couple seasons ago. And then I'm wearing this Stussy button down. My pants are weekday. They don't ship to the US, so I got them from ASOS. And then for shoes, I'm still deciding. I think probably just my Reeboks. Simple. That's it for now. A little bit chilly out, so this is the official fit. I decided to put on my Sandy Liang fleece. I got this off of eBay in like 2020. I don't think she makes these anymore. I know she still has like the fleeces, but there's like a different pattern. It's like my prized possession. I love it. Nom, 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 nom.
Look, tell them these notes here give us hope. And if you ask the people in the pews, it's the antidote. I write my worries in a prayer, then I let it go. Got in my vegetables, you know how the record go. I know them niggas say